Hello children, so today Monica ma'am is here with 10 sentences for revision of your evaluation on Hello children, so today we are going to read mixed sentences of O and U sound. Okay, so we are going to revise them for your upcoming test. Okay, तो हम इसको रीड करेंगे और कुछ फेमिलियर वर्ड्स मैंने मिक्स किए हुए हैं आपके लिए. सो हमें वैसे ही रीड करना आना चाहिए. नाउ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज phonic loudly. Okay, if you want to use phonic, just say in your heart hand. Okay, directly you have to read now you are growing up, so you have to read them directly. Okay, so let's see what is the first sentence here. Bun is in the box. Bun is in the box. Second sentence. Dog is in the tub. Where is the dog? It is in the tub. Now third sentence. Do not sit in the bus. Okay, so do not sit in the bus. Now fourth sentence. Mom has a rod. Mom has a rod. Okay, mom में क्या है? Rod. Now fifth sentence. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Okay, so whenever you are reading, use your index finger. आपको जब भी रीड करोगे पेपर में, you have to use your index finger like this. Fifth sentence. The sun is hot. Okay. Now sixth. He has a toy gun. He has a toy gun. He has a toy gun. Now seventh sentence. Seventh is I had a pot and a jug. Okay, I had a pot and a jug. Now eighth one. Nut is on the top. Nut is on the top. Okay, nut is on the top. Now ninth one. Cup is on the log. Yes, where is the baby of lion cup? Cup is on the log. Okay, cup का खड़ा है log के ऊपर. Okay, cup is on the log. Now 10th sentence. He had an ox and a pup. He had an ox and a pup. He had an ox and a pup. Okay, so this is how you have to read the sentences. Not like that. I had. No. Now you have to read it directly. Okay? Okay children. So आपको इसे directly पढ़ना है अब. Okay, in test also you have to read them directly fast so that you don't take too much time for your exam videos. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.